I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hit.
What's one?
5, go. That's not even a shot. Up. 2 down. Up. 3 down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, sick. Are you sure?
No, he did.
Oh.
That worked out. Hey, remember, push your mag forward. Push your mag forward. Harper, push your mag forward.
Oh, shoot. I hit in the stomach.
Yeah, he made it in 26 seconds. All right, out. Let's go. Switch it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, that was good, Jaden.
Yeah.
That makes it a lot harder.
Dude, that was good. That like spring reloading was like.
Yeah, but I got 3 kills in the beginning though. This is stupid.
No, it wasn't part of the actual game.
Yeah, but I got cheated on.
Come on, Anderson.
What? You slipped?
I slipped. And whenever I was saying, man, I slipped, I kind of tripped again, and it sounded like I said the S word. But I didn't, okay?
I don't know.
I
if
promise
you're
I
allowed to
didn't.
actually shoot this close. You're not. I don't.
Spring's only running 269.
That's the factory spring.
3,
2, 1.
Get him, go.
Liam want. Oh, yeah.
It still sucks that my first 3 kills didn't count.
Wait, man. Who died? Anderson. Just throw. Hey, don't bring it. It was a hard one. You have to get to the barrels. I barely got you.
Hey, y'all get in line, man.
I barely got you. I barely got there.
Run. Get behind.
I killed someone.
Right, why are you in front of us?
Barely got you. Oh, I killed you. That was you. Oh.
Hey, y'all gotta get in line. Y'all are like, hey, y'all line up. Y'all line up. You're getting out of order.
I got. What happened to me is that I was going down. Wait, do we have to make it back over here?
9, move. Get him.
He hit me in the head.
5, 4, shoot. All right, now.
Yeah. It's hard to get to that barrel without getting hit.
4. Come on, Liam. 3, 2,
1, good job.
1.
Go, Liam.
Get in the back.
You hit me in the head.
You know what to do.
Yeah, my safety was on
So-
the first time I played.
No, you're not.
Am I? I feel like I kind of stayed here and everyone got in front of me.
Yeah, you're up.
Okay.
Liam, you won!
Liam, go.
I was just told I was after the side.
Oh.
Right, okay. Okay. I'm not trying to be mean.
No, you're fine.
I'll be mean for you. Okay.
Yay!
Hey, Harper, you forgot your mag.
Harper,
This is.
get your magazine.
Wait.
Josiah, can you actually get him? I'm not joking. We all of us big kids don't want to petrify him. Who?
No.
Liam. We don't want to have to go against.
You don't want Josiah to be the lead. You don't want Josiah to be the bully.
Yeah, but,
Yeah.
but I,
Well, we don't want.
Come on, you get from 4 kids.
his dad had to tell him stop.
Suck in that gut, Jaden.
Oh, that's so mean.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Liam's on
That
tutorial
was no.
He's got Mr. Brandon
He's got
helping him
his
through.
tutorial mode.
All right, hit, call it. Good job.
5,
Go.
4,
Good job.
3, 2, 1.
Dang, hit.
5,
Mitch,
4, 3, 2, 1.
I thought that hit.
Bro got me in the eye pro.
Yeah, I got
Your helmet's crooked. He said it was fine.
3.
They'll have good battery.
I really hope I got that sliding reload on camera though. That was pretty clean.
Yeah, it was. Like I was like.
Whoa.